Hi guys, welcome back and thanks for joining me on my vlog. I'm just on my way to the local bike shop, Bike Shed, which is the out of town store, to go and get my poor little Creo. She's going in for a service and I'm obviously going to have a look at that TCU, so let's go and have a look around up the bike shop. Let's go. Beautiful. There she is. Absolutely lovely. This is the mechanics. This is where all the workshop. This is where my bike's been brought in. That's it, the bike's all in now. Yeah, so if you want to come up and test ride any of the bikes up here, whether it be e-bike or normal bike, but you know, who wants a normal bike nowadays? But they got a nice little circuit here going around the car park. They got a nice slope there, look guys. Yeah, really good, really good business here. Yeah, I'm lucky to have this on my doorstep, to be fair. Yeah, so apparently there is a solution to the problem that we've been having here in the UK, or wetter countries if you like, wetter climates. There's some sort of gel that they put onto the electric terminals of the battery and the harness, and for the TCU connection. So apparently that just puts a nice little seal around it and it stops any moisture getting in. I'll let you know when I come and pick the bike up in a few days time, see how they get on with it, and I'll find out the name of that gel that they actually used. See you when I pick it up. Morning. Morning. Hi guys, welcome back and thanks for joining me again on my ride today. I've got my bike back, yay! She is absolutely running mint. I've just ridden her for about 5 or 6 miles, I think it's about that. And she is absolutely flying along. Yeah, very pleased with this. They've done a great job. You see I've got my TCU back. Absolutely lovely to have that one back. And obviously head tube, got new bearings and that, and the steering is just so smooth now. Yeah, what a difference. Big thanks to Rob at the Bike Shed, out of town store, for fixing up my girl. Yeah, I'm well pleased. Yeah, the out of town store is a brilliant store. You've literally got everything there, you know, all different types of bikes. You got trikes, you got the penny farthing, you got every kind of e-bike you can think of, and they got a brilliant test track if you want to get up there and test ride an e-bike, for instance. Yeah, brilliant service team, just brilliant sales team, and brilliant customer service. I can't say any more than that. With Bike Shed Out of Town store, fantastic. Yeah, great bunch of staff up there. And like I say, if you're looking for a bike, any kit, lights, mudguards, anything like that, they got the lot up there. Yeah, bit of a windy, chilly day today. It looks nice on camera, but there is a barely cold wind. It's nearly May, for God's sake. Jesus. But yeah, this is my surroundings I'm in at the moment. Nice little cottage up there. Yeah, it's nice, isn't it? So I'm going to crack on with the ride. So as usual, guys, let's go and see if we see anything interesting on today's ride. See a couple of cyclists up front. Isn't it beautiful here? Got to be a little bit more careful on these bends because the wind's blowing at me. I can't hear any traffic coming. Oh. Thank you. I got my Pass Pixie on. It's doing a good job. It's quite interesting trying the Pass Pixie out on the major roads. I'm in turbo, guys. That's why I got up that hill so easy. That was nice. Right, I'm going to take this road. Yeah, that was quite interesting with the Pass Pixie. I must admit, I'm very impressed with the with the results. It's just beautiful around here, guys. It's the turbo. Lovely lane this is. It's, I'm headed into a place called Varia. Oh, nice smooth road. Oh, that's very nice. Little past Pixie's working well. So many potholes in this road. Well, looks like rain's coming. Thankfully I'm nearly home. God, it's really chilly and windy today. Whee. Right, that's it from me for today's ride, guys. I hope you enjoyed that. Wave goodbye, Pete. Right, until next time, guys, make sure you get out there and ride, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now. Bye bye. Bye.